Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. And what we're going to do is go over Meld RWAs. So that's real world assets. We're going to go over the partnership with Swarms Markets. That's what it's called. So this is a huge milestone for Meld. And I want to get into helping you understand what this means and the potential. So if you get something out of this, definitely smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, we have a lot more content coming for you guys this week. So this video is probably going to come out Sunday today. I already did 5 videos, so the moose is getting tired. We are Sunday, March 24th of 2024. So yeah, let's dive right into it. So first, let's start off with the article and we'll go back and forth. So Meld partnership at Swarm Markets. So a powerful alliance opening up the predicted $1 trillion real world assets RWA market to retail investors. So Meld RWAs powered by Swarm will be integrated into the Meld lending and borrowing protocol, giving users the ability to borrow against RWA real world assets such as Apple, Tesla stock. Okay, so we'll get into this back and forth. So Meld is your non-custodial lending and borrowing DeFi protocol. So what that is, and we'll log in here. So if you guys haven't done so already, go to testnet.meld.com. So I am in my testnet account. So this is not the Moose's wallet. The Moose owns much more than 25 grand. I'm just kidding. Actually, in Meld, I don't have that much. But I have done a video. So here on the channel, check out this video. It was 11 days ago. Meld lending and borrowing testnet tutorial. I teach you in that video step by step how to set up this wallet. So the wallet that you're looking at right now, I show you step by step. Just go to the channel, type in testnet or testnet Meld, and it's right here. So I've got a few videos. Watch this one with that thumbnail. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the lending and borrowing. And now what you can do, and we've done tons of videos on this, you can stake pretty easily with Meld. But the big thing, and I talked about it in the interview I did with Ken Oling, he's the CEO of Meld. So if you guys go to videos, check out this interview. So here you can get some good insight inside Meld with CEO Ken Oling. So we talk about what is Meld, we get into the power of lending and borrowing in that video. So really cool. But you can imagine that with the lending and borrowing, you can lend and borrow with these real world assets. You can lend and borrow against your Apple stock, your whatever it may be. So we'll get into the websites and information. But guys, definitely check it out. Comment down below if you've already done that. So let's go through this article a bit more. Our partnership with Swarm opens up infinite opportunities to create exciting types of RWAs and cryptocurrencies around themes like AI, DeFi, gaming, and NFTs. The Meld lending and borrowing protocol will even support borrowing against your RWA. So this is from the chief investment officer at Meld. So our MOU with Swarm locks in compliant RWA assets for retail investors across Europe and beyond, starting with the 75,000 and counting early access waitlist users for the Meld neobank. So this is going to be a big deal, and I'm going to get into Swarm Market. So if you guys want, you can follow it. So if you look here, a platform that sets the gold standard for blockchain-based finance. Trade real-world assets, RWAs, on-chain today. So they even posted that, and we'll get into the website here. So I have not checked out too much of the website. I've been on somewhat briefly. So we'll just save settings here. So the gold standard for blockchain-based finance. And the real big thing for me is like the idea of stocks. I think this is so big. So the fact that you can trade real world assets on chain, right? So let's get into some of this. So RWA tokenization done right. So here you got an asset. This could be like a house, Let's say it's a stock. So a stock is basically ownership of a company. So you have some Apple stock, right? And that Apple stock, it's off-chain, right? It has a custodian, so institutional grade partners, data trustee, and then Swarm X, regulatory compliance, token holders wallet, so regulated trading. So yeah, definitely really cool. So 100% assets backed. So connect your wallet, onboard now. Yeah, so I haven't taken too much of a look, but you guys can check this out yourself. So check out the products, check out the platform, but you can imagine how big of a deal this is. So you can see Polygon, and again, like the best part about Meld is that it's not like on one chain, right? Like we're integrating the 6 leading blockchains, really, right? That's Bitcoin, ETH, you got Cardano, AVAX, probably Solana soon too, right? Like all this is gonna grow together. But the thing is that you can imagine that you're supplying and borrowing and really utilizing these things, right? So meld.com is the website. I really want you guys to check that out. That's where you'll get most of the quality information. So yeah, shout out to Fareed. He did a pretty cool video on this too. So they did that. Let's finish up on the article, make sure it's good. So of course they're excited about the partnership, and then there's more info. But that's about it. I just wanted to bring that to your attention. I think it's an awesome thing. If we get into the price of Meld, so currently we are at a 2.45 trill market cap. Meld is at 1.5, like 2 cents. We're talking about a 50 mil market cap, 56 million market cap, 94, let's call it 95% circulating supply, meaning there's already 95% of the tokens out there. So let's say basically all the tokens are out there. We're only at 50 mil market cap. This thing is set to go nuts. Meld is one of those projects where I just see the vision so clearly, and that's why it's like my top 3 in my portfolio. So yeah, I mean, look at the contracts. You get the contracts. It's a beautiful thing. Moose is gonna cry. So if you guys enjoy this, comment down below if you think this is a big deal. I just want to bring that to your attention. A little bit of news. And yeah, so pick up a loose moose. Guys, pick up a hardware wallet. You got the Tangem. Save up to 25% off your Tangem, your Ledger. So, oh, not a lucky day. We have to redo it. So we get the Tangem. We got the Trezor Model T. Best wallet if you can afford it. Best cheap wallet. So completely different. I use this as my everyday carry in my wallet. So don't be thinking you come up on the moose taking his Tangem. He's going to smack you. So you got to be careful. I'm going to put you in a headlock. Do like some jiu-jitsu. I don't even know any jiu-jitsu, but the moose will get loose. So the point is, we'll see you all in the next one. Cheers. Cheers.